Over 60? Add this to your morning coffee for stronger legs and more energy. What if I told you that the secret to stronger legs, more energy, and better health after 60 isn't found in a complicated workout plan or expensive supplements, but in your morning coffee? Yes, the same cup you already enjoy could become a powerful tool for improving your strength, balance, and daily energy, if you add just one simple ingredient. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to stir into your cup tomorrow morning, why it works, and how it can transform the way you move and feel. For many of us, coffee is more than just a drink. It's a ritual. It's that warm moment of comfort before the day begins. But what if it could also become a small step toward protecting your independence as you age? Strong legs are not just about looking fit. They're about being able to climb stairs without pain, walk without a cane, and keep your balance to prevent falls. Energy isn't just about feeling awake, it's about having the vitality to play with your grandchildren, go for long walks, and stay active well into your 70s and 80s. And here's the truth. After the age of 60, your body naturally starts to lose muscle mass. This is called sarcopenia, and it can sneak up on you. One day, you notice that getting out of a chair feels harder. Carrying groceries takes more effort. Even short walks leave you tired. But here's the good news, you can fight this. And surprisingly, one of the easiest places to start is in your morning coffee. Before I reveal the ingredient, think about this. You've probably seen it at the store. You may already have it in your kitchen. It's not expensive. And you don't need to change your diet or lifestyle to benefit from it. Just a spoonful in your coffee can make a noticeable difference in your strength and energy over time. So what is it? The answer is protein powder, specifically collagen protein. Why collagen protein works now? Let's break this down in simple terms. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It makes up your skin, your joints, your muscles, and even the structure of your bones. When you're young, your body produces a lot of it naturally. But after 30, production slows down. By the time you're 60, you're not making nearly enough. That's one reason skin wrinkles, joints ache, and muscles feel weaker. When you stir collagen protein into your morning coffee, you're giving your body the raw materials it needs to repair and rebuild. Think of it as fuel for your muscles and support for your joints. It doesn't change the taste of your coffee, it dissolves easily, and it's one of the simplest ways to add extra protein into your diet. Protein is key because it helps stop muscle loss. And if you're over 60, getting enough protein can literally mean the difference between walking independently or relying on a walker in the years ahead. Let me put this into perspective. Imagine two people, both in their mid-60s. One of them makes sure to get enough protein daily, sometimes through collagen in their coffee. The other skips protein most mornings and eats a typical low-protein diet. Fast forward 5 years. The first person is still going on hikes, gardening, and enjoying long shopping trips without feeling wiped out. The second person avoids stairs, moves slowly, and struggles with everyday tasks. This difference doesn't come from luck. It comes from daily choices. And your morning coffee can become one of the easiest choices you make to protect your independence. The role of protein in energy. Here's something else most people don't realize. Protein isn't just about building muscle. It also plays a role in energy. When your body doesn't get enough protein, it breaks down muscle to use as fuel. That leaves you weaker, slower, and more fatigued. But when you give your body enough protein, your muscles stay strong, your metabolism stays steady, and your energy levels rise. Adding collagen protein to coffee is especially powerful in the morning. Why? Because after a night of sleep, your body is in a fasting state. You haven't eaten for hours. If you go straight to coffee with sugar and cream, your blood sugar spikes, and then it crashes. But if you add protein, you smooth out that crash. Instead of feeling jittery for an hour and then tired, you feel steady energy that lasts all morning. Some people think, I'm too old to build muscle. What's the point of protein? That couldn't be further from the truth. Research shows that seniors can still build muscle at any age. In fact, muscle tissue remains responsive to protein and resistance training even in your 70s and 80s. Adding collagen protein to your coffee won't magically make you bulk up, but it will give your body the foundation to stay strong and active. Joints and mobility. Now let's talk about joints. Weak knees, stiff hips, and achy backs are some of the biggest barriers to staying active after 60. Collagen protein helps rebuild cartilage, which cushions your joints. Over time, many people notice less stiffness and more flexibility. That means walking feels smoother, climbing stairs is easier, and even sitting down and standing up becomes less of a chore. Think about how much your daily life changes when you reduce joint pain. You're not just more comfortable. You're more confident. And confidence is everything when it comes to staying independent. Here's a question for you. What's the number one fear most people over 60 have? It's not wrinkles or gray hair. It's losing independence. Nobody wants to feel like a burden on their family. Nobody wants to be forced into a nursing home because they can't walk safely. Strong legs and steady energy are your ticket to keeping that independence. And the best part? It doesn't require huge sacrifices. It can start with something as small as what you stir into your coffee. How to add it to your coffee? So, how do you do it? It's simple. Buy a high-quality collagen protein powder. Look for one that's unflavored and free of additives. In the morning, brew your coffee like you always do. Add 1 to 2 scoops of collagen powder. Stir it in until it dissolves. That's it. No fancy recipes, no complicated routines. Just coffee as usual, only smarter. Some people like to add a splash of milk or a sprinkle of cinnamon for taste, but you don't have to change anything else. You might be wondering, how quickly will I notice a difference? Here's the truth, you won't feel a miracle overnight. But give it a few weeks, and you'll start noticing subtle changes. Maybe you'll feel less sore after a walk. Maybe standing up from the couch feels easier. Maybe you realize you're not as tired halfway through the day. And as the weeks turn into months, the benefits keep stacking up. Your legs feel stronger, your balance improves, and you move with more confidence. These small changes add up to a big difference in the quality of your life. Of course, coffee with collagen isn't magic on its own. It works best when combined with simple lifestyle choices. Stay active. Go for daily walks. Do light resistance exercises. Eat a balanced diet. But the beauty of adding collagen to your coffee is that it's effortless. You don't have to think about it. You don't have to cook anything new. You're already drinking coffee, now it just works harder for you. Other benefits beyond muscles and energy: collagen protein also improves skin elasticity, reduces wrinkles, and strengthens hair and nails. For many people over 60, this is a welcome bonus. It's not just about looking younger, it's about feeling healthier inside and out. And when you feel good about yourself, you're more motivated to stay active, social, and engaged with life. A personal challenge: here's my challenge for you. Starting tomorrow, add collagen protein to your morning coffee for 30 days. Write down how you feel on day 1, and then compare it to day 30. Notice your energy. Notice your strength. Notice if your joints feel different. You might be surprised at how much a small daily habit can shift your entire outlook on aging. Aging doesn't mean giving up the things you love. It doesn't mean losing your independence. It doesn't mean settling for weakness and fatigue. With the right daily choices, you can stay strong, energetic, and active well into your later years. And one of the simplest, most powerful choices you can make is adding collagen protein to your morning coffee. So tomorrow morning, when you pour that first cup, remember, it's not just coffee. It can be your secret weapon for stronger legs, steady energy, and a healthier, more independent future. Thank you for watching Fitness Tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. And let me know in the comments, will you be trying collagen in your morning coffee?